Are you a day trader looking for a system that can give you 20 to 30 pips a day? Right? Stay tuned to this channel. We're going to run a series of videos showing you different variations of the patterns that we look for that can possibly give you 20 to 30 pips every day as a day trader. The aim of this tutorial is to provide you an edge that you can be able to use to identify these patterns on the charts when you'll be doing your back testing, right? So in this example here, the Asian session, the blue box is a presentation of the Asian session, which is the initial low of the day and the high of the day. When the New York market opened, when the London market opened, they spiked above that Asian session to create a new high of the day, and the price pulled back again and they started accumulating contract inside the Asian session. So London spiked above that to initiate a new high of the day, and then price pulled back inside of the Asian session. After accumulating contract for some hours, New York market opened and price spiked above London high to create a new high of the day for New York market to complete that pattern in order to initiate a setup that we can be able to engage for a sell opportunity. So at this point in time, the high of the day has been locked with the pattern is present, the entry candlestick pattern is present, the risk is acceptable, and let's write it down and see if we're gonna get 50 pips. It is my day trading opportunity target for 50 pips, and that is all that you have to do. Determine the variation of the pattern which is being presented on the charts. Wait for the timing to be correct. Once the timing is correct, must be New York open, right? And once the candlestick pattern is present, you can accept the risk, enter the market, allow the market to do what they have to do. You have done your part as a day trader. You've identified specific things on the market. The market has provided those specific things that you look for. That is when you engage the market and allow the dealers to move price, right? It's just as simple as that. Don't complicate it, right? That confirms the high of the day is locked. Where price is going to go, price is going to come to the initial low of the day and create a new low of the day, right? And then after that, price will pull back again. They will start accumulating contracts and start creating a new Asia of the day to start another business day for the next day. So you see with this spike down here, this is more than 20 pips. This is more than 20 pips. If I just wanted 20 pips out of the market, I will have closed by. My target is to get 20 pips. My target is to get 50 pips out of this trade on GBP USD, right? So the important thing is be able to identify the variation of the pattern which is presented on the charts and react to it only when the dealers provide you with the entry candlestick patterns, right? If you like these tutorials, kindly like this video, right? Share with your friends and tell friends about this channel, because we need to grow and there's so much things that are going to be in store for us. We're going to start our live streams soon on YouTube because I want this community to be impacted. And I thank you very much for all the subscribers who have supported me in this journey from 0 subscribers to the number of subscribers growing every day. I really want to appreciate each and every one of you who have taken an initiative to be part of this community. I'm gonna do my best to provide you with the best, simplest tutorials that you can be able to follow up, do your back testing, right? Build your confidence and attack the market wherever the opportunities are presented when you're using these tutorials. So this is the system that will pay you. All you need to do is just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss any upcoming tutorials. Otherwise, I just want to wish you a very, very happy 2023 and all success. May it come your way if you put in the work. It's not gonna come just like that. You gotta put in the work. And if you want to belong to a community, our community is open to like-minded people who want to do something for themselves. Come join our community. Let's spread the love. Let's spread the education. Let's impact each other, and let's change lives. Right? Thank you very much, guys, for being on this channel. And let's see how far this trade will be able to run. I appreciate you all.